In this video, I will show you how to make volume fans the easy way using the Yegi Mecca Volume 2.0 lashes. So these come in single trays and mixed trays, and they're super easy to fan. Even for someone who's never made volume fans, I will show you how to do them the easy way. Really, the key is in the product. You want to have great products to make your life easier. So here we go. Let me demonstrate. The two eyelashes that you already see pre-made are the Yegi pre-made fans, which they already come pre-made and they're just ready for you to use like that on the strip. Now, if you want to make handmade fans, that's what I'm going to show you how to do right now with the Mega Volume 2.0. Super easy way to fan these lashes out. You want to use a curved tweezer in order to make volume fans. And it is very important for you to have good tweezers that close all the way so it could hold all the little eyelashes together. If your tweezers are not good, they will not hold the eyelashes and your fans will fall apart. I am using the Yegi Pro tweezers in F1 in this video. First thing you're going to do is you're going to grab the curved tweezers in your dominant hand, whichever hand you feel more comfortable with. And you're going to grab a bunch of eyelashes with the tip of your tweezers at the base of the strip, the very bottom part where you see them together on the strip of the eyelash extensions. So this is very important to grab it over there because that's how they're designed in order for them to fan out easily and beautifully without ruining the advanced technology on it. In the video, I am using a former strip that the pre-made eyelashes were made on, but you do need a little sticky area in order to place down the eyelashes you have picked up so you can fan them out easily. You can use double-sided tape, you can use a strip that doesn't have any more eyelashes on there, or you can use the strip itself and just throw some from the outer corner to have space to work with. Now, it is very important to use light pressure. If you use too much pressure when you're pressing down on the fan, you are going to ruin the way it fans out. So when you're practicing, try different levels of pressure, and that will really help you determine and see what the right pressure is for you. But it is very important. As I've been teaching eyelash extensions for many years now, I've noticed the people that use lighter pressure when they're grabbing the bunch and fanning them out gently on the strip, they have way better results than if you're trying really hard and pressing and using too much pressure. As you can see in the video, the trick is not to press too hard at the base of the bunch of eyelashes that you're trying to fan out. The trick is to press gently, and you're not really pressing down. You're kind of rolling your tweezers from left to right in order to fan them out gently. Now watch again. I grabbed a bunch of eyelashes, put it on the strip, gently roll my tweezers to fan them out. It's literally that easy. Don't overthink it. Just practice this technique and you will get it. Like I said, great products, great tweezer will ensure you have great results. And my favorite glue to use with this, if I was, making my fans and gluing it on the client, is a Yegi Mecca Volume half a second to 1 second glue. It dries really fast, so it keeps your fans in place. Now, the best part about these eyelashes also is that you can make your fans as delicate, as natural, or as dramatic, as full as you please. And if you are fanning them out this way, you see you get really nice V-shaped fans. Compared to the base of the pre-made fans, you get a much more delicate base with these lashes. Now I'm going to continue fanning. Just pay attention to the little details and see how nice and full and fluffy the strip gets. So normally for a full set, I would use that full whole strip and 1 full strip per eye. Of course, if you're using 2 lengths, 3 lengths, accommodate for that. But just to have an idea, you will use 1 full strip per eye in order to get a full set, and about half for a fill. But we're going to demonstrate so you can go ahead and see how nice and full and fluffy it would look on a client. Normally your client has about 3 layers of lashes, so that's how it would look if you do a full set on a client. That's not too dramatic and not too natural. I hope this helps. Well, give me a like, subscribe, share with your friends. It really helps me out to keep doing more videos, and I really appreciate you watching. I hope you have an amazing day. All the products will be linked below, and if you've never shopped at yegibeauty.com, here's a promo code that you can use for one time only, and it is FIRST20. So I hope you can take advantage of that and enjoy these lashes.